Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my view, of course. Today I think I can make an axe. For that, so I have no idea how to do that, so I should looking for everything that we can use, something like that. Okay, that seems nice. More okay, we have one more here, that's not bad. And a song about the sounds. Okay, too weak. Yeah, that's too, it's a little larger and too large. I wanna make a little axe for now. What we can find. Okay, wait a second. Okay, that's okay. Let's do that. Okay, so other woods. We have some woods here, and in our woods we have these. That's nice. We can use that like here, or it seems better in here. Okay, not bad, but not very well too. It's a weak axe, but okay, let's try it. We have our stone here, and starting with that. Okay, that's too hard, right? So, not bad. One more here. Okay. So, let's see what we have here. We have these. Not bad. Not very bad. You can cut these, or no, just cut it. Yeah, not bad. See, you can see these. I think I should use a sharper stone, but for now I think that's not bad at all. You can use that here, see, this can be useful.